In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Steam downloads and update the Steam client. We'll walk through a few quick settings that can speed up downloads and make sure your client is fully up to date. Start by opening the Steam window, and in the top left corner, click on the Steam menu. From there, choose Settings. In the Settings panel, select Downloads. This is where Steam manages how it retrieves game data, and a few simple tweaks here can resolve slow or inconsistent download speeds. First, scroll down to find the option to clear your download cache. Click on Clear Cache, then confirm when prompted. This clears temporary files that can sometimes get corrupted or stuck, which may cause downloads to stall or crawl. It won't remove your games, it just refreshes the download pipeline so Steam can start clean. Next, scroll back up within the download section and look for the download region. Make sure it's set to the region closest to where you actually are. Picking a nearby region helps Steam connect you to the most efficient content servers for your area. After you choose the correct region, Steam will ask to restart to apply the change. Go ahead and click Restart so the setting takes effect properly. While you're still in the download settings, double check the bandwidth options. Make sure limit download speed is turned off so Steam can use your full available connection when you need it. If you prefer to restrict downloads only during gameplay, leave that specific option as you like. But don't cap your speed if you want the fastest results. Once you've done that, return to the top left corner and click the Steam menu again. Choose Check for Steam Client Updates. This ensures you're running the latest version of the Steam app, which often includes performance improvements and bug fixes related to downloads. If an update is available, just click Download. Steam will handle the rest and may restart to finish the update. Let it complete so all the changes you made work together smoothly. That's it. By clearing the download cache, setting the correct download region, turning off any speed limits, and updating the client, you've addressed the most common causes of slow or unreliable Steam downloads. If you notice improvements, you're all set. If speeds still vary, it could be your network or your ISP, but these steps put Steam in the best position to download as quickly as your connection allows. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps your next game install fly.